Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farooq Bashir from MBA 1.5 Superior University, Lahore. Today we are starting the beginning and manufacturing process of the Dodge company. Dodge is an American brand of automobiles and a division of Stellantis based in Auburn Hills, Michigan. Dodge vehicles have historically included performance cars, and for much of its existence, Dodge was Chrysler's mid-price brand above Plymouth. Dodge Brother Company machine shops by brothers Horace Legend Dodge and John Francis Dodge in early 1900s. Factory located in Hamtramck. Current CEO of the company Sergio Marchionne. The company has 2,37,000 employees and it's based out of London. They have topped the Forbes Global 2000 list in spot 1 to 8 at $35 billion. Dodge mainstream vehicles were trucks and full-size passenger cars through the 1970s. Through it also built compact cars such as the 1963 to 76 Dart and mid-size cars such as the B-body Coronet and Charger from 1965 to 78. The Dodge brand endured multiple ownership changes at Chrysler from 1998 to 2009, including its merger with Daimler-Benz AG from 1998 to 2007. Its subsequent sales to Cerberus Capital Management, its 2009 bailout by the United States governments. That was the history about Dodge Company. There are many models of Dodge in the market and we are discussing about Demon. In 2014, SRT was merged back into Dodge. Later the year, the Chrysler Group was renamed FCA US LLC, coinciding with the merger of Fiat SPA and the Chrysler Group into the corporate structure of Fiat Chrysler Automobiles. On January 16, 2021, between FCA and the PSA Group, making the Dutch domiciled automaker the second largest in Europe after Volkswagen. Dodge built 3,300 Demons, each with sticker price that started at $84,995. There were some options available, the price of which was a sunroof, and some buyers surely paid well over retail for the right to park a Demon in their own garage. Certified the Guinness Book of World Records, both front tires are in the air for 2.92 feet, 840 HP and 770 lb-ft or torque will have you at 60 mph in 2.3 seconds. Only 300 cars will be built for the US and 300 for Canada, which makes the Demon a hot commodity. Dodge Demon concept car. Body Demon concept, class concept car, body style two-door roadster, layout front engine rear wheel drive, powertrain. From the factory, the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon is speed limit to 168 mph. That's because the drag radial tires equipped from the factory aren't designed to go any faster. The interior of this car is totally digital and comfortable. The inner cabin is furnished by beautiful sport seats and soundproof. The logo of brand look amazing on steering wheel and it's totally air conditioning atmosphere in the cabin. There are many models of Dodge company in the market and we can see in the pictures a lot of designs of Dodge company in various shapes, too much beautiful and according to the market and customer need. First model was introduced in 1994 and that was a beautiful model and people like too much. With the passage of time, company take decisions and introduce new models according to the customer needs and with the latest technology used in all models. The brand make this world by technology and accomplish for human comfort. The imagination of everyone will be made in real by the brand of Demon. At last, I want to say that this brand going to be top 7th rank all over the world. And net worth about company of 2020 is $35 billion. So this is not a brand we can say it is a mega brand in world. Thanks for watching.